Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. The square root of the square root of 121 minus the square root of 120. So let's begin. The first thing we'll do is to break down 121. So we know 121 is a perfect square. So the square root of 121 is 11. So the square root of 11 minus the square root of 120. Now I can break down 120 into 30 times 4, so it gives me 2 root 30. So the expression now becomes the square root of 11 minus 2 root 30. At this point, we can apply this identity or this expression, which is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. I'm going to try to write whatever is under the square root sign to align with that expression, right? So a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So we have to make it look like that expression. To do that, we have to represent a root square root of 5 with a and square root of 6 with b. In that case, a squared becomes 5 and b squared becomes 6. And 5 plus 6 is indeed 11. So a squared plus b squared becomes 11. And square root of a is square root of 5 and b is square root of 6. And that product is the same as square root of 30. So that side also makes sense now. So our expression is now in the form a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Now the next thing we'll do is to apply this identity, which is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab equals a minus b all squared. And we know a is root 5 and b is root 6. So I'm going to have square root of 5 minus square root of 6 all squared under the square root sign. So I have the square root of root 5 minus root 6 all squared. And we know the square root of a squared expression is equal to the absolute value of that expression. The square root of a squared expression is equal to the absolute value of that expression. So this is going to give me the absolute value of root 5 minus root 6. And since root 6 is bigger than root 5, it means that expression is negative. So the absolute value of a negative number is a negative of that expression, right? So you're going to have negative of root 5 minus root 6. And that is root 6 minus root 5. So that's how to solve a question like this. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.